and welcome to part 1 of this 2-part series where we make our own dresses out of newspapers. If you're wondering where Cat is, she's behind the camera.
I'm not behind the camera, I'm right here.
Okay, she's right next to me. Okay. As you can already tell from the title, in this video we're gonna make a two-piece outfit inspired by our favorite celebrities like Taylor Swift, Ariana Grande, and Charlize Theron. But with newspapers. Let's begin!
For this project, all we need is lots of newspapers, glue, scissors, and tape. We made sure to use only the pages with no pictures. For the pages with just a single picture, we cut up a piece of newspaper and covered it up. There, now that looks much neater. Let's start with the skirt. First, we will fold this newspaper to make a waistband according to our measurements. Then we will take a few newspaper pages and fold it onto itself like this to form pleats. Now we'll just glue it to the waistband and leave a little space here. That's about it. Next, for the bralette, we will take at least 4 pages of the newspaper because we need a thick layer for this. We'll measure our bobbies and make these comb thingies, which will then be attached to this band that will go around our ribcage. Then we folded up some newspaper and added the straps using glue and tape. We made adjustments where it's required and we're done. Now when we wear the skirt, we'll just secure the waistband with some tape like this, and we'll do the same with the bralette. Here's the final look.
We hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for part 2. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel right here. Lots of love and smiles and sparkles. See you next time. Bye.